Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of PHP, that is PHP 8.2.0 on a Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now to install the latest version of PHP, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser, and in the address bar you need to just simply search with PHP download and hit enter. And you'll be getting this www.php.net as our first result. So here you need to just simply click on download PHP, and this will going to redirect you to the official site of PHP, and you can see that our current stable version of PHP is PHP 8.2.0. So here for Windows you need to click on this Windows download, and this is going to redirect you to the Windows download binary and source releases page. So PHP 8.2 is rightly there. So here you have two options, one is non-thread safe, another is thread safe. So I'm going to download the thread safe one, so which is this zip, which is 30.28 MB. So just simply click on this zip and it will going to start downloading our PHP. Now I have already downloaded it, so here is the file, the downloaded version of the PHP. So all you need to do is just simply right click and click on extract all, and this will going to open this window. So just simply click on extract and it will going to start extracting our PHP. So after it successfully extracted, it will going to open this folder. You can close this. So this is our extracted folder. So if we just simply go inside that folder, you can see all files and folders. Okay, so let's go a directory back and just simply right click and go show options and rename. So let's rename this to a simple PHP 8.2.0, the version number. Okay, a simple one, not any other things. Okay, just a simple version. Then right click and cart. Okay, so you are just simply first extracting and then simply renaming it and then cutting it and pasting it in our C drive. So right click and paste. Okay, so our PHP, which contains all these files, are rightly renamed and pasted over here. So now it's time to go inside that folder and click on this address bar, then right click and copy. Okay, and now you need to click on this search icon, and in the address bar just simply search with environ, and this will going to open edit the system environment variables. So just simply open that, and here just simply click on environment variables, and here just simply click on path and then edit, and here just simply click on new, then right click and paste that path. Okay, so we are copying this folder in our C drive, and then we are copying that path and pasting it in our edit the environment variables. Okay, now just simply click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. Okay, now you can minimize this and your browser as well, and if you just simply go to search, and this time search with CMD and open the CMD, and if you just simply type PHP space dash dash version and hit enter, you can see that our latest version of PHP is rightly installed. Okay, so in this way you can easily install latest version of PHP. I'll also going to show you a simple PHP program. So new folder PHP, I'll name it. I'll just simply go inside that folder. I'll create a new text document. I'll name this as hello.php, and I'll just going to save this file hello.php. Just simply going to open this, open with a notepad, and here all I'm going to do is just angular bracket, simply close this, and here I'm going to just simply echo hello world. Okay, so echo hello world. So just going to save this file. Just simply write this much, go to your address bar and just simply type CMD. So what it will do is it will going to open our command prompt right at this directory. So here to run this file, just simply type PHP then hello.php, hit enter, and you can see our output hello world. So in this way you can easily install latest version of PHP on a Windows operating system. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.